Hello everyone, welcome to the Data Ki Pathshala. My name is Amit and today we will discuss about Treemap. What is Treemap and where we can use it? First of all, Treemap is one of the visualization in Power BI and it is used to display the hierarchical data. Hierarchical data means suppose you can see in front on screen that there are some country naming United States, Australia, United Kingdom, Germany, and under which there are some territory region comes. For example, under United States, you can see there is a southwest coming, and under United States also there is a northwest is coming. So these kind of hierarchical data we can display on Treemap, and Treemap is a perfect visualization for these kind of hierarchical or structured or nested group data if we want to display some these kind of data. For example, if we can take second example, say that we in breakfast there is some n number of person in breakfast take some egg and a sandwich, so we can display the breakfast in place of United States, and under breakfast the person can take egg and sandwich and many more. So this kind of hierarchical data we can display on Treemap. So let's jump to the topic, and let's move to that Power BI desktop, and we can check how we can create this kind of visualization. So this is my Power BI desktop. So we are going to draw this kind of visualization. First of all, we will go to a new page, and here I have many more tables, and I'm going to use fact internet sales table, and the second one will be dim sales territory, and we can check what is in sales internet sales fact internet sales. There's a date key, due key, ship date key, customer key, promotion key, and along with there's a sales amount, and in dim sales territory there is a territory alternate key, sales territory region, sales territory country, and we will use these two fields and sales amount to draw Treemap. So you can see here that under United States there is a northwest, northeast, central, many more is coming, and under Canada there is a single Canada. Let's draw the visualization. So first of all, we have to click on Treemap visualization. So you can see here under pie donut and Treemap there is a Treemap visualization. Click on it. Now by clicking these field we have to fill up. First is category. Category means in which category do you want to show the data. Let's say I want to show the country wise data, so I have to search country in dim sales territory, select it, and the value field may be the sales amount. We can select the sales amount. Under fact internet sales, select it. Now this is the first basic visualization of Treemap. This is the title and this is the category, and by viewing Treemap you can see the major portion of sales amount is taken by the United States, and then Australia, then United Kingdom, Germany, France, Canada. So this is a perfect visualization to if a person want to check which country is doing sales, doing good in sales. Now we we have taken country and in category, and in value field we have taken the sales amount. The what about what if I tell you that under category which region is performing well in sales? So for finding this thing we have to add detail and details. So click on add data and find out the territory group. So under dim sales territory region, there is a sales territory region. Click on it. Now the hierarchical data can be visualized here, that under United States the southwest and northwest is coming, and southwest is performing uh, better as compared to northwest. You can see. Now we can check some we can do some formatting also. So click on visual and click on format tab. First of all we have to modify the title. To modify the title, let's start again. Click on this title. It is already on and you can see the title is visible here. So we have to format it. Sales, type it sales by Terry and country, and align central, bold. Background you can check is change background color also. Now we have formatted our title. Then again click on format and click on data level. It's already currently it's off. Switch it on to on. Now you can see the data level is also visible here, that 5.7 million sales done by southwest and 3.6 million sales done by northwest. So I hope you have understand how the basic tree map can be created in Power BI. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting video. Thank you.